If Chrome keeps refreshing your tabs on its own, or if you're tired of pages getting unloaded in the background, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Chrome from automatically refreshing tabs, and I'll cover both the normal memory saver setting and the more annoying crash loop refresh issue. This is a simple fix, but it can make a huge difference if you keep important pages open all day for work, research, trading, school, or content creation. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's stop Chrome from automatically refreshing tabs because of the built-in memory management feature. If you have enough RAM and you want your tabs to stay loaded instead of being put to sleep, this is the setting you want to change. On Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser, then choose Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Performance. This is where Chrome keeps the options that affect how it handles memory and background tabs. At the top of the Performance page, you should see the Memory Saver option. Chrome uses this feature to free up system resources by unloading tabs that you haven't used in a while. That can be helpful on low memory devices, but if you want your tabs to remain active, it can feel like Chrome is constantly refreshing them. To stop that, simply flip the memory saver toggle to off. Once it's disabled, Chrome should stop putting unused tabs to sleep, which means they're much less likely to reload when you switch back to them. Now, if your tabs are refreshing over and over again every few seconds without you clicking anything, that's usually not memory saver. That's more likely a browser issue, and the most common fix is clearing out corrupted cache or script data. This kind of problem can make Chrome behave strangely, including endless refreshing, page flickering, or tabs reloading unexpectedly. Fortunately, the fix is quick. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command Shift and Delete on Mac. That will open the Clear Browsing Data window. For the best results, set the time range drop down to all time, then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These files can sometimes become corrupted and cause repeated reloads or weird browser behavior. Once you've selected the right options, click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome completely. Close the browser, open it again, and then check whether the tab refreshing issue is gone. In many cases, that's enough to fix the problem immediately. If Chrome was caught in some sort of refresh loop, clearing the cache and cookies can break that cycle and get your tabs back to normal. So just to recap, if you want to stop Chrome from automatically refreshing tabs because of Chrome's memory management, go into Settings, open Performance, and turn Memory Saver off. And if your tabs are stuck in an endless refresh loop, clear your browsing data, restart Chrome, and test again. Those two fixes cover the most common reasons Chrome keeps reloading tabs. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.